Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hello. I'm so glad you clicked on this video. I am hoping you'll subscribe before it ends. So I have Boxycharm, and guys, I am not happy. This is my paid box, and I'm going to go through it with you. I've used pretty much everything in here. Yeah. Are you ready for this? Okay. All right, so let's go in here and start off with the Femu Camellia Elixir Oil. This here, I used that before I put on the primer, which we'll get into that in a second. And it did make my skin nice and moisturized, so I did enjoy that. You do want to watch how much you put, especially if you have larger pores. Any type of oil sometimes will accentuate that. But overall, not bad. Then I went in with the No Problem Primer, which I used to love by Touch in Soul. It's watery, and didn't do anything. I was like, oh, yeah. Doesn't feel even really like a primer to me. So I was kind of sad about that. Okay, but then I had high hopes for the Ciate London palette. Guys, I have used all the colors in this palette. All of them. And if you swatch them, they look okay. But guys, they're not pigmented. When I blended it, it totally disappeared. So it's like, what a bummer, because this is pretty. But yeah, I was just, I mean, it's on my eyes. You can't even tell, but it's on my eyes. Next, I went in with the $1 Billion Brows Forever Lash Mascara. I like the fact that this separated my lashes. The wand was neat, but there was nothing special about it. It was just a mascara, which when you get subscription boxes and stuff like me, I don't have to buy a mascara now, you know, so it's fine. I don't know how well it'll wear, but I am wearing it. And of course I have lashes on too. But I did like the wand. So far that's okay. And the one product I did not try, Dallas & James Skincare Company Watermelon Dream Cloud Cream. The names sometimes kill me. Instead of a moisturizer, it's a cloud cream. I'm gonna go get ready for bed and put on my cloud cream. How weird is that? I don't know. You definitely wouldn't call it cloud cream, but I guess, you know, they have to come up with some kind of thing to make it look enticing. I have no idea. That's everything. Let me just go through it again. The Elixir, which was not bad. The Ciate London palette, which not pigmented. This here, which is kind of watery and doesn't do anything for large pores. Then the mascara, which was okay. And then, of course, the cloud cream. So that was everything in my box. Now, I think some of you said you were getting this exact same box and you were excited for it. Well, did you get it? Were you excited? Let me know, because do you feel the same way I do, or are you feeling like this was a good box? I just know that most of these products won't work for me and they're not what I'm looking for, but I do want to hear what you guys think down in the comment section. And thank you for taking the time to watch this unboxing. I really do love you guys, and I will see you soon in another video. Bye.